Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not.
So hey guys, yeah, I am almost all dressed. I still just gotta do finish straight flat ironing my hair, but I wanted to come and yeah, show you guys I'm almost ready. Pops and Mario are going to go shower now, and then we're gonna head out to dinner. But this is the makeup look for today. And oh, there is my dress, but I will give you guys a full view of it once I am finished. It's so crazy because me, I hardly wear black, so it's a little bit different to actually, you know, be wearing black and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm just going to finish flat iron my hair, and then when we are all dressed, I will come and check back in with you guys. All right guys, so I got Pops here with me. Say hello guys. I just finished showering, so I'm about to get him ready. Oh, there's his lotion. Let me grab his lotion. Oh, and his powder. Hold this, Papa. Hold it. Ah. I know. In here so dark. Hold on, let me get you a diaper. So Papa, look at this one rolling all over the place. So I'm going to get him dressed now, and then Mario's gonna finish showering. Oh, okay. All right, so Mario's gonna finish showering, and then we're going to head out. Yeah, it's a pretty much almost, it's a black affair. So I am all dressed finally, and I finished my hair. I will definitely show you guys the dress once Mario's come out, and I can show you guys it. I'll definitely show you guys. But do you like my makeup? Oh, I decided to do a little something different this time because I wanted to switch it up a bit. But let me get this one dressed before he pees on people's in bed. I'll be back. Are heading out now. We're all dressed. I didn't get to do any pictures, so we're gonna have to do some when I get downstairs or when we eat and come back. Okay guys, so we're heading we're heading down. So we are like 2 minutes late for dinner, but at least we're there. Oh gosh, we made it. Oh, we've actually made it to dinner. It's dark because the ambiance that is on in here is a romantic setting. Pops, say hi. Say hello. Say hi. Oh, he's being well behaved, guys, so that is good. Mr. Williams on the other side, and there is Mr. Williams there. So I got myself some calamari to start, and of course one of my favorite drinks ever, I got myself some pina colada. Yes. So we're just waiting for our food to come, and then we're about to eat. Hello, this is dinner. That's what Mr. Williams have. Mr. Williams, you didn't even say good night to the vlog.
I didn't know you were vlogging. That's right.
You want to see your face?
Take some memories.
Pardon?
Do you just want to take some memories with you or something?
Oh, I didn't know I was vlogging. Yes, I am vlogging. Papa. Hi. Huh? Yeah, because this, you put it in the oven. It's a skillet. It was it I was showing you today when we went to Walmart. And I said I wanted some because it could go on the stove or in the oven. So what is it? We have a different name for it back home. Yeah, it is hard. He told you to be careful. Yeah, so as you can see, yeah, that is my dinner. So I'm about to go eat. And yeah, I guess we'll see you guys after dinner. I'm still, look, my drink hardly even moved. Papa. Hi. Hi, handsome. Hello. Hey, mommy's boy. You don't eat the beetroot and you don't want the broccoli? You're supposed to eat vegetables. It's good for you. All right, guys. So dinner was amazing. Even though we pretty much, look, we got a bag. Because we didn't eat all of our food. Oh, God. We are so full. Oh. Oh my. Oh, my. So, we had a nice, like a festive evening out. Yes, and now it is time to go in.
Hey, you need a key first.
Give me the key. Where is your key?
I don't have it. It's in my wallet somewhere.
Look at Pop's face.
And me and Pop's going first.
You and Pop's going first? Well, I have to wait?
Stay.
Okay, alright. So I guess I'm waiting.
Stay back. We'll still go there, sir.
Oh, hold on. Let me grab my dress. Okay. Well, I am waiting. Don't leave me out here too long. Alright, guys. So I'm out here waiting. Ready? I'm out here waiting on you. You finished now? Okay. Alright, let me turn the camera around. I wonder what took you so long.
Why you videoing me?
Why am I videoing you? Oh, this is so sweet.
Come here. Why you videoing? Don't video me. Come on.
This is so sweet.
Come here, let me close the door.
Okay. Oh, look at this, guys. Oh, look at this. This is beautiful. Oh, I love it. Oh.
Open the door.
Open the door. So this is what you were planning, eh? When you're like, oh, Miss won't come back. Hmm? Oh, look at in here. Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you, babes. I love it. Thank you. It looks so nice. Oh, this is so sweet. Come, Papa. Look at this. It's just a lovely setting. So turn on the light, babe, so they can get a light view. Papa, they eat the rose petals, guys. They don't even, my dress didn't even. Oh, so there it is, guys. Oh, let me show you guys my dress. There I am. So there's the dress, of course. Your girl is showing some legs. But I'll get Mr. Williams to show you guys a better view. But yeah, what do you guys think? Do you love the dress? I got so much compliment on our dress tonight. People are like, oh, you guys look so beautiful. You look like Mr. and Mrs. Smith.
You guys look like movie star.
I know.
What?
I got so much compliment. So it was really nice. And we had an amazing dinner. And oh, babe, you're going to light up the cake? And we got a little bubbly. Look at this. Huh? You're going to blow them out?
Of course.
Come, Papa. So what do you think, guys? This is very thoughtful of Mr. Williams. So, oh, you didn't even like the cheesecake. You bought the cheesecake. Oh, I guess I'm gonna light the cheesecake.
You know the real cake at home.
I know. Say hi. Say hi, everybody. Ow. Oop. So there is my heels. That's the heels that I wore. That's the fit, guys.
Look how beautiful. Can I let the one them on the counter on?
Yeah.
Ow! Ooh.
Burning?
Fire! Look, Pops. No.
Oh, come. Gonna like the cheesecake.
Shit.
What?
Oh, it's not funny.
No, that one over there.
Be a front of fat.
Oh, you should. Load that one up. Okay.
Don't make it just touch him, baby, because they have any.
I know.
They can't go fat still soft.
Okay. Those two on the floor.
You
Fix
better
them.
cook them here before you. See?
Yeah, that's okay.
No, but your clothes, you're just don't kitchen it.
Okay, babe. So, you're gonna like this?
Hmm?
I'm gonna sing me happy
And
birthday.
that, babe, that you smoke?
No.
You sure? I
Yes.
think so, you know.
No, I don't think so.
You get smoke.
I don't think so. I'll wait for our alarm. I should be okay.
What?
So, you know, if anything, you know, take you out and push you underneath the water. Alright, so Mr. Williams is going to, they did a horrible job, but you know, this is it for now until I'll like my cake when I get home. So, yeah, our last little outing. Oh,
See, it's not lighting.
there we go. You're supposed to sing happy birthday as you light it.
Happy birthday to me.
I have your birthday, happy birthday.
Yeah, it's not light. What is that? This? See, happy birthday. You push it under the fire, the water.
You remember dashing most water on it.
See it? It must not light.
At the top, you're supposed to light it from, I
No
think.
matter. You have to get hot first before it.
Ooh, oh my gosh, guys, look. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. On birthday. Oh, that is so sweet. Yay, Pops,
When it goes, See, the
yay.
heart just come right here when I stop.
I know, that's beautiful. I love it.
Yeah, right.
Okay, so guys, this is the birthday fit. My dress. Let me do a 360 for you turn. I love it. And yeah, I'm a girl that hardly wears black, especially like dress, but when I wear, yeah. So, what do you guys think? Do you love it? So this was my birthday fit. And I am in love with the dress. Saw it and I just fell in love and I was like, there's my birthday gown. So guys, look, and just like that we clear off the bed. Look at this one. Huh? Pops!
We can't put it on the medication. Right?
No.
You boy, you're frightened.
You're
Why you
frightened.
not frightened? Don't beat me.
Papa, you ready for bed?
You gonna pop this one and you take him up now?
You me who, what?
You.
Are you crazy? You are picking those up,
It's
not
your birthday,
me.
not mine.
So don't pop it. I didn't tell you to pop it.
Yeah,
Come. Oh, guys, let me show you my favorite bottle of wine. One of my favorite.
Come pop it.
So, Mario, huh? Come open it.
Come and pop it over your head. Make it just fall back.
Come now, come open this. Mr. Williams, no.
Shine the camera.
No, you're not popping it over my head.
Shine the camera. I mean, I'll tell you again, you know?
Mario, I'm not playing with you. You are picking that up. You know how weird that's
Shine the
gonna
camera.
fly?
Shine the camera.
And I don't want to leave in here in a mess because that's very rude.
No, boy.
As much as you pay for your stay and stuff, I like, you know, the house cleaner. I don't like leaving the place a mess. Look at that, guys. We only had 2 out of it. Woo! Hold on. Wait, let me get that. Wait, let me get the stuff. Oh, gosh.
Yeah, really drunk already. Yes, you want wine.
Who drunk? I am not drunk.
Yeah, drink to my bar. Do my something. Yes, sir.
Hello, I had a pina colada, Mr. Williams.
The one with Wally per rum.
No. Only for rum.
Did you
what?
get virgin? No. Did you get the one there?
No, I didn't get virgin. I got virgin last year because
were
I was
pregnant.
pregnant with, yeah. Mario. So I'm supposed to get virgin pump. Mario, take you something more time out.
Can I eat that something this? Me go buy.
No, you go buy.
Every time I buy one from home.
They're in a hurry, so I can't wait.
No.
Stop a minute.
Babes.
Watch this one. Watch Mario. Oh gosh, I need to go shower after this and take all this makeup off my face.
So how the hell do this?
I don't know. I think you're supposed to probably still do it like that. Yeah, I love this bottle of wine, and I can't believe they raised the price. It's gotten so bloody expensive. Listen, and everybody loves drinking this wine too. Mario, how about that? That is 18.
Hey, you don't know to the place now. Especially my clothes.
Woo!
I'm gonna throw this away. I don't want it.
What?
The wine.
Come.
What's your face? You want some? Right, Papa? Fully or happy?
Full.
Really no. So like that. No, what happened there? Don't.
No.
So minutes put the full mine too? Yeah.
How much is left?
Yeah, some?
Oh.
And some?
So good. Cheers.
Happy birthday again.
Thank you. To a great birthday.
Say happy birthday, mommy.
Thank you. I love you too.
Say happy birthday, mommy.
Mm.
Happy birthday. Mm. What? More? Where's your clothes?
No, cheers to you guys.
Cheers.
Oh.
And one more year up.
One more year.
She's getting old.
I might be getting old, but I don't look a day over 30.
This one gets me back.
What? Listen, even when I'm 40, I'll be looking good. Did you see my mother jeans? It's in the blood. I look at my dad. And my dad is how much older than my mom?
Yeah. I'm Mario on camera and YouTube.
No matter in his diaper. You want chocolate, Papa?
No. No.
Uh-oh. Everything's sweet though. Ta. I mean, is that good? But in order for me to stay youthful like this, I need to go back home. If I stay up here too long, we go start age quick. And then you go probably want to trade me in for a newer model. No, please. I am. You can't trade me in.
You ladies no don't say can.
I didn't say can. You cannot trade me in.
You hear that, Pops?
Uh-huh.
Mommy say no trading.
The qualities that I come with, very hard to find.
Mommy say no trading.
Especially nowadays.
Mommy say no trading.
Oh my gosh. Guys, so good. I enjoyed my birthday. It's not laying, well, it's not the actual thing that I wanted to be, laying up on somebody's beach for my birthday, but you know, I'm still grateful. And the greatest thing, like I said, birthday come once a year. That's the day that you're born. That and the day that Jesus was born are the 2 days that you should definitely always celebrate. Yeah. And of course, like, you know, like birthdays, it's sad how people don't celebrate birthdays. Listen, go to the spa, do something for yourself. Even if you have to save for it. Like, say, there was things that I wanted to do for myself, and I was like, listen, now is the time, I'm definitely doing it. Here, Papa, you want chocolate? Ta.
Make him clap in.
Clap?
Come.
Yay!
Clap.
Is that good? He's tired. Yeah,
Come,
he's
clap
tired,
your
so that means
Clap your
he's gonna
tiny
be
hands.
KO.
Clap your tiny hands. Clap your hand. Clap your hand. Clap your hand. Come, clap. Yay! Good job.
Good boy. Ta?
Clap again. Take care of everything.
Got more? Ta.
No! I'm not even gonna go sleep. Very good. Let's see more. Don't give no more sweet. Take out everything.
It's because the chocolate's on his hand.
No.
No, son? No.
You must have colic.
I know the amount of thing he ate. He ate literally everything. You want some cheesecake? We'll get a little bit of cheesecake.
No.
Go to your bed.
Come, get the names. I don't know why it's more up here.
No, for wipe him down, watch it. Diaper full.
What is that?
It's all the water's drinking. We'll give him some water. Yeah, I forgot brushing teeth. Yeah, come, mommy, I go brush your teeth. No, when I want your teeth them rotten, can I see all the sweets where you just clean?
Okay, you are ready? Now, baby, what?
You see all the sweets that we just give him? Yeah, I forgot brushing teeth because in teeth we're rotten. In teeth we're rotten if you know brush it. You having fun with Dada? Now bite him back. Yes, bite him. Remember you have teeth, use them. Yeah.
Baby, to bowl on my face. Hey. No. Come on to mommy. Mommy, I'll be one.
Look at this baby. Look at this baby.
Where you, Pops?
And then there was chocolate there. Come, we go wash you off. Come, we go wash you off and go brush your teeth. I get some water to go to bed. Yeah? Some. Is that good? Have some of this?
Jump
Is
you.
your face? No. Can't have any.
Alright, I hear.
That's grown folks' business. Some water? Da. Probably sweet so too. Okay, let me go get the something ready. I'll go wash them out. Alright guys, that is it.
For Shanika's birthday until
Yeah.
next year, stay tuned.
Well, if I'm still around.
Yeah, right, yeah.
Mm. It's really bad.
Hello.
Oh my god. Maria's going
Get to some more of him out, man.
in his nose. Look at my hand. And that's it, folks. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bye.
Good night.